Hey, what's the key to success? Is it having a goal? Or perhaps it's discipline. Maybe it's identifying your why. Persistence, I like that one too. But I think the critical key to success is our ability to take consistent action. Pablo Picasso, the world famous painter, once said, "Action is a foundational key to all success." Hey guys, I am Devon Harris. You're watching Keep On Pushing TV. Welcome to 3 Keys in 3 minutes. And in this episode, I'm going to share with you 3 keys to taking consistent action. Look, I think you know this already. You could be the smartest person in the world, the most talented. You could come up with the best idea ever. But if there's no action to back it up, then nothing happens. And when I talk about action here, I'm not talking about visualizing or reading up on your industry, all of which are important. What I'm talking about here is taking consistent action, is doing something every single day, no matter how small it is, that is going to move you closer to your goals and your dreams. So here are my 3 keys to taking consistent action. 1, follow your passion. Now, I know this might seem like a no-brainer, but you'll be surprised to know how many people go for the exact opposite. They go for what's in their mind is safe or comfortable or practical. But here's the thing. Regardless of the goal you're going after, it is going to require some effort. Now, doesn't it make sense to do something and to pursue something that you absolutely love versus something that you feel like you have to do? For those of you who are doing a job that you hate, it's a grind, isn't it? Now compare that to the guy who has a fledgling business, not making much money, but is excited to get up every single day and work. So yes, follow your passion. Number 2, focus on the process, not the results. You see, once you have set your goals, whether it's a fitness goal, a sales goal, a goal to make a certain amount of money, whatever it is, once you have set that end result, you then need to shift your focus to the process, what you need to do on a consistent basis in order to get there. Focusing on the potential results could put you on an emotional roller coaster. It could leave you anxious and frustrated, even angry, because the results aren't coming fast enough. But when you focus on the process, it leaves you more relaxed because you know what you need to do. And while you can't always control the end results, you can always control what you do. Number 3, focus on what you want, not on what you don't have. For sure, one of the things that prevent most people from taking consistent action towards your goals is a lack of resources, the time, the money, the contacts, you name it. Right? So they just kind of sit around waiting for the conditions to be just right. But hey, the conditions will never be right. So my advice to you is to get started and keep going, gathering the resources that you need along the way. Because remember, if you do nothing, you get nothing. So keep your focus on what you do want, because if you do, the doors will begin to open for you. And if they don't and the walls still stand, hey, there's always a sledgehammer. But look, follow your passion, focus on the process and not the results, and focus on what you do want, not on what you don't have. I am Devon Harris, and if you like this video, share it with your friends. Don't forget to check out my website, www.devonharris.com. And as always, keep on pushing.